Welcome to Nick's Tech Corner on the Sailing Meditation Channel. Today I'm going to go over a new project. I'm replacing the old teak handles on the boat, and away we go. Okay, so here's the old deck handles. They are from 1975, and I've sanded them down a couple times, but like they're just beyond. Anyways, earlier I took the screws out, so kind of. Oh wow! See if I can get one out. Yep, there we go. And so here's your side-by-side comparison. Okay, so it was very noisy in the marina when I recorded this, so here's a voiceover. I'm comparing these two things. We got a screw in the old one and not in the new one. The old one, the screw goes all the way through the wood, and I like the clean look of the new one, so I'm trying to keep that. I'm showing you that there, and then showing the blank new piece of teak that I bought. I bought a kit that's going to help me drill some threading into the bottom of the new teak handles, and I'm going to show you that right now. Easy lock. Don't mind all the noise. Everybody's working down here right now. Easy lock threaded inserts for wood. Yep, and then I can put some screws. Yeah, so I'm going to take over again. So loud. But yeah, so I'm showing you the holes where they're going to go into. I'm hoping that this is all going to work out. I'm showing you I've got to take this cap off of the deck to work on it. There's some screws involved. I am worried I'm going to have to reseal the whole thing because that's what I like to do. Okay, so first thing, I've got my wood here. I used some paper tape to use as a template for where these holes are. And then on the wood, I used it and made little markings underneath where the holes go. Here's the first hole. I first did a pilot hole with one of these, and I taped off 3/4 of an inch. And we're only drilling a 1/2 inch, which I taped on the big bit. A little scary, it is a big hole. But this is what's gonna ultimately go in here. This threads into the wood, and then you can get a bolt and screw into that. All right. Okay, this kit came with this little add-on thing, a little driver. This fits in to the thing like that, snaps on, and then we're gonna drill it into the hole we just made. All right, let's check that out. I just drilled it in, went in pretty easy. That's how it looks. Sitting pretty flush. Maybe it can go in a hair more. Yeah, I don't want it to stick out because I want the wood to sit flat on the deck. So I'll give it another turn. Okay, we've got all 3 of these in here. They look a little offset, but that's how it came out on my template. Hopefully they look okay. Let's see, so the idea is like this will screw in from the bottom and secure these. So it's a 1/4 20 screws, Allen heads. I also picked up some stainless washers as well. These are stainless screws. Always stainless on boats. Always. Yeah, so I'm just gonna thread these in for fun. Maybe see we just check. I'm hoping this, honestly, I was gonna drill all the way through like the old ones, and then I came up with this idea because my goal was to secure them and hopefully give the same strength. I thought maybe with 3 screws it should hold pretty well. And I think it will. We'll have to see. We'll do like a pull test. Hopefully I won't yank these out, but so far, I mean, it feels like they're really in there. So anyways, good stuff. They're going in, I guess, as straight as I made it. Maybe not straight. That one looks a little crooked. That one looks a little straighter. Give this one a bottom. All right, we'll find out. All right, so this is the hatch. I think I chopped too much of that video off, but it came from the top like I showed you earlier. I've got one of the handles screwed in at this point. And did I mention it was windy out? So we're voiceovering again. Okay, so here's the handle attached. Upside down, of course. And now a montage of me trying to screw in the other one. Here I'm checking the camera. I think I'm okay. All right, yep. Can we see everything in the shot? Nope. But when I looked at the camera, I thought, yeah, I think we can see enough of this. But I just went ahead and just started working on this anyway. Yeah. All right, I'm going to speed this up and put some music on. By the way, if you're enjoying the background music, it is some original stuff that I created with my songwriting partner and good friend Jon Gus. A link to some of that stuff in the video description. Yeah, go check it out. And let's see if I screwed this in right. We got a problem. I'm gonna have to make some modifications. Always something. Try to be so careful, but the drill moves when you drill. If I had a drill press, which is what I should have used, I could have been a little bit more accurate with my holes in here, but now they don't line up, so now I have to drill into the fiberglass. So once again, not a professional. how am I going to get it up to the front here? This is getting really awkward now. Come on, dude. Which way are you going to take it to the deck?
We did it.
Okay. All right, go on. Okay, this is excited Nick grabbing the phone. I just muscled the hatch cover back. Oh, there it is. In all of its glory. Beautiful. It came out beautiful. I am so happy. See some of the other woodwork I just finished. Now I'm talking about how amazed that this worked with that kit that I bought. They feel very strong. And now I've got a lot more work to do. I'm going to get to this deck topside paint job over the coming weeks. And my next video, I guess, will go into the Bondo process. But anyways, thanks for watching. And enjoy a couple B-roll shots like that. And I'll catch you on the next one. On Nick's Tech Corner.